In fact, you wouldn't want to buy this as a car. Say bye, Josh. So we're going back to Laycock, up by the rising sun, top of the hill.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of a review on this beast. Now we've got a fresh MOT on her anyway, so
Sweet. Well, we'll go through Lower Laycock then.
hope we make it. We haven't put any fuel in this. We've done pretty well so far, actually.
The fact the light's on.
Well, it's been on since we got it. So we've got a fresh MOT, new wheels on the front, new tyres on the front. What else did we do to it? Shock on the near side
New
front,
tailgate glass.
new tailgate glass.
New trims in the back. New seat belt in the centre.
Oh yeah, the seatbelt was quite a good one.
It failed on the pre-tensioner lockdown
Yeah.
for one of the
Oh, did we
receivers.
not have to secure? Oh, that wing mirror. We painted all the wing mirror as well because that was all discoloured.
Yeah.
All the scratches of the key marks.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we-
repainted the rear tailgate.
Repainted. Yeah, the boot section. Yeah,
Let's have new carpets, new floors.
new. Did you do the engine in it? We put a new engine in it, didn't we? No, wrong car.
Oil change.
Oil change. That was it.
Oh, it's 100% better than
100%. Yeah.
100% better than when we picked it up.
The MOT tester said, "Don't ever bring one like that again to us."
Yeah.
I can see why. But do you know what? Funnily enough, I'm still surprised that the tailgate glass, as you'll probably see in the videos, like, that's an advisory. Like, how
Yeah,
the
but
guy
not-
didn't get pulled over though. So this is the hill where we came up with the Merc. Do you remember, TJ?
Oh yeah.
And we were doing like 5 miles an hour because it just wouldn't pull up the hill because it was a limp homo. It wasn't even a limp actually. It was more of a judder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely nothing wrong with you just walking around in a field at all. Are you enjoying yourself? So we come out to do a little bit of a talk about the car, and Ant doesn't want to be anywhere near it. If any of you hadn't guessed, I'm Brad, and that's Ant. So this is it. Yeah, this is the gem. Like, you might have seen it when we first went to buy it. Hold on, no, this is clean. So we got some wheels and tyres for it. Got the wing mirror all painted up.
No, it's just
Interior's nice and straight.
So how have you found your first major project from what essentially was a rotten
£150 gem, you mean?
that we'll use that word gem
Yeah.
because I have another choice word for it. But it's now been rolled in glitter, it's road legal, and it's definitely 100% better than it was. But how did you find your deal?
So I love a deal. At the end of the day, I love the idea of getting a car that was essentially one that was deemed for the scrapyard, which is what this guy was trying to do. He's like, look, if you come today, you can have it. Otherwise, tomorrow it's going to the scrapyard. So that alone was a challenge in itself. So I really enjoyed it, actually.
But you've got
Well,
2 wheels, 2 tires.
yeah, two wheels on the front. We get the wheels a bit of a lick of paint on them. Got 2 new tyres on the front. The near side front had the strut and shock absorber.
And the hub knuckle.
And the hub knuckle. New wheel nuts on it as well.
Yeah. It's had a alignment, aircon regas, oil change, new tailgate glass, and then all the scratches but polished and painted.
Had a lot of key marks in it. So watching a lot of other YouTube videos on that of how to get them out using the paint method of filling with paint, wet and drying it, and then polishing it all the way through. Also in the boot, not just that, it would almost seem as though, there we go. So in here, what we've done is replaced all of the trims along each side of here. Got parcel shelf, and also the carpet liner there as well, because essentially what happened is we think it had pets, dogs, something like that, and it was all scuffed up and scratched. So we decided, look, it's more presentable to have a nice, when you come up to open the boot, it looks a bit more tidy. So, do you think if we adapted that to a bracket and pushed a button, whether we could put a bit of string and pull the car? You ever thought about that?
No.
Depends on what the car is.
Or we could just try.
Enough talk, you'd have to get an inch ugga dugga.
No, I'm going to place a bet on this.
Alright. I bet it won't.
You bet it won't? How much?
And now I open my mouth, I thought about the specifics. So you've not actually said what size car. Yeah, exactly that.
So
That's why I
can we?
stopped.
Yeah. okay, let's
The interpretation was very loose.
okay, let's do this differently. I think that a Milwaukee drill, my one, not yours, because I don't want to break yours, which is, if you're happy with that, I think it will pull a car.
What car?
It's the Green Mini.
The Green Mini. So the Green Mini downstairs, full size Mini.
Full size Mini.
In its current state.
In its current state.
I don't think it'll pull it. But have to make sure it's on level ground, because if you let go of the
Level
handbrake,
ground.
the car will roll.
How much you want to bet?
50 quid.
Do I want to lose 50 quid? Do I want to lose 50 quid? Hold on.
I don't think it's pulling it. Thing is, you can push the car, so...
You got more chance with my impact gun pulling it than you got that pulling it.
So what's the difference in the two gears then? Does that make it lower, stronger,
The speed it drives at.
more torque? No.
It's just the speed it'll run at.
This is a really difficult one to work out. Yeah, because all you got to do is start it off, ratchet it down somewhere hard, and just be like...
Yeah, build it up. I'm not too sure.
Well, technically, I said I could pull it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't say anything about being an assisted pull.
Yeah, you can pull it. Yeah. True.
I said, could this
If it's attached
drill
to you, like,
pull?
what if the drill's attached to another car?
How about I just, yeah.
And then the drill's still pulling it.
Also, didn't specify how far it's got to pull it. Did I?
No, you didn't. No,
So what is classed as a pull? What's classed as a pull? Is it classed as, he didn't set the distance, did he?
No.
I'm going to bet him the 50 quid. Stay tuned. Let's see how we get on. So, pulling of the Green Mini.
Yeah.
Go for it. So, what are the terms?
Level ground,
Yep.
as it is.
Yeah.
No engine running.
Yes.
No one in the vehicle.
Yes.
Handbrake off.
Okay.
Drill on the floor. Pull on the trigger. See if it goes.
Pull on the trigger. See if it goes. Level ground. How about the gun not on the floor? Because how are we gonna?
Because if you've got it in your hand, you might be inclined to lean
Okay.
back.
So.
If it's on the floor. and
How
you pull
about if
the
it was
trigger-
attached to another vehicle?
No, because you might drive the other vehicle to pull it.
I wouldn't be driving the other vehicle. I won't be driving the other vehicle.
You won't be. Someone else will. Be.
No one will be driving the other vehicle.
Why has it got to be attached to another vehicle?
To attach it to something so that it
Just
can
attach
actually.
it to the floor.
How? It's a lot easier to attach it with a ratchet. No chance. It needs to be attached. But I'm thinking like a chain to the towing eye, so at least it's fixed to something. So when I pull the button, it's not going to work otherwise. So you can just attach it with to the base to something. So when I push it, it doesn't. It needs to be. Otherwise, it's going to go like that. It's going to pull.
Yeah.
I'll give you £1 to run over to the other side of the wall.
I was going to say.
Josh,
I'll give you the 50.
£1. Want to earn a pound? Want to earn a pound? Run across the road like that in that pouring rain. Let's go. It's a bromance. It's a bromance. Where's the car? Miles.
On the bottom, on the
Ooh.
road.
Quite far down.
Yeah.
Ah,
You want to drive down?
can't go in this.
It only takes 2 seconds to go in there.
Could go. Could go in.
In Polo.
No, not in the seats in the polo.